Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen.
Today I'm cooking a vegetable dish, stir fry purslane with fermented chili oil bean curd. So let's review the ingredients. This is organic purslane that I got from the farmer's market. And this is also known as duckweed, red root, or purslane. And this is an edible weed. And you may have seen this growing around the neighborhood, at the park, alongside the road, or even in between the sidewalk crack. It looks like a miniature jade succulent. It has a waxy, fleshy, spoon-shaped leaf with a thick reddish stem. And this vegetable is quite tasty, with a mellow, grassy flavor and a slight lemony, peppery taste like arugula or watercress. And the stems are juicy with a crunchy texture. And like okra, purslane excretes a sticky liquid when it's cooked, so it's important not to overcook it. It also has a high level of pectin, so you can use this to thicken soups or stew. And this can also be eaten raw in a salad. And I also have some fermented chili oil bean curd, and I'm using the Godmother brand. And here I have a lot of garlic, a small red onion, seasoning salt mix, Shaoxing wine, and sesame oil. For the prep, we'll start with mincing the garlic. And I like using lots of garlic. You could use more or less if you like. Okay, that looks good. And next we'll cut the red onion. I'm going to cut it in half and cut it horizontal in about 1/4 inch slices. And break up the little half moon rings. And for the purslane, I'm going to leave it whole with stems and all. But if you like, you can also cut it in half or into smaller pieces. So all the prep is done. So let's start cooking. Okay, so today I'm using my cast iron wok. The heat is set at a medium-high heat, and you can see that it's smoking. So let's add oil. And I'm going to cook the onions first. Saute this for about 30 seconds. I'm going to add the garlic. And toss it together for about 30 seconds too. Now I'm going to add the fermented bean curd and the oil. We'll give this a good mash. Break up the bean curd. And toss this for about 15 seconds. We'll add the purslane. And this may look like a lot, but it's going to cook down. Okay, give this a good toss. You can add some seasoning salt, sesame oil, and the Shaoxing wine. You want to just cook this until the leaves and the stem wilt. And don't overcook it, or else it becomes too slimy. So I'm going to cover it and let it cook for 30 seconds. Okay. Let's toss it for another 15 seconds, and this is done. Okay, turn off the heat. Let's serve this. And here we have a super delicious plate of stir-fry purslane with fermented chili oil bean curd. The bean curd gives it a really luxe, creamy, earthy flavor, and you also get a little sweetness from the red onions. The purslane leaves are very tasty with a mellow, grassy flavor and a slight lemony, peppery taste. And the stems have a nice, crunchy texture. If you like eating dandelion leaves or chrysanthemum leaves, I think you'll enjoy this too. This nutrient-dense edible weed is packed with heart-healthy omega-3s, protein, iron, magnesium, and vitamin A and E. It has more potassium than a banana with a fair amount of calcium. And this is a fabulous vegetarian dish. Look out for it at the farmer's market and give it a try. Enjoy! Okay, let's see if Shadow likes it. Ooh, yummy. She likes purslane. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Get your omega-3s. Good girl.